Now let us study units of time. We have studied in the earlier classes. Let us recall some unit of conversions. Conversion of a smaller unit to a bigger unit, as we have already studied in metric measures, we will divide, and when there is a conversion of a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we will multiply. So these are some few units of conversion. 1 year represents 12 months. 1 month is 30 days. 1 week, when called upon in days, we have 7 days. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 day, if asked in hours, we have 24. 1 hour, if asked in minutes, we have 60 minutes. 1 minute, if asked in second, we have 60 seconds. And 1 year, again, when asked in days, we have 365 days. Now let us see some solved sums from my practice time 2. That is question number 3. Convert the following. Let us see the first one. 21 years, 57 days. I have to convert it into days. Now it's a very common that when any number is already in days, we will be keeping it as it is. First, we will see the relation of years and days. Year is a bigger unit and day is a smaller unit. So this will be a multiplication. Now 1 year into day will give you 365 days. As you can see, 21 years I need to count and write it in days. So 21 will be multiplied by 365 and 57 will be as it is, which will be a add up to the same number. Now 365 multiplied by 21 will give you 7665 days plus 57. That will give you overall 7722 days. Now let us see example number 3, that is 707 hours into minutes and seconds. Now as you can see, I need to convert 707 hours into minutes as well as seconds. Now first let us decide what are we converting, a bigger unit into a smaller unit or a smaller unit into a bigger unit. Yes, hour is a bigger one and minute is a smaller one. So minute is smaller as well as second is smaller, so we will be multiplying it. First we will convert 707 into minutes. So as we know, 1 hour has 60 minutes. So I will first multiply 707 by 60. Or in the other way round, we also know that 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So again 707 will be multiplied by 3600 to get the answer in seconds. So we have got two answers here. In minutes we have got 42,420 and in the seconds we have got it as 25,45,200 seconds. Now let us see the next slide. Let us see the conversion that is from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Let us see example number 7, that is 876 hours into days and hours. Now again the first one, that is hours, is less than days. So this time the relation between days and hour is 1 day is 24 hours. So we will divide it by 24. So 876 when divided by 24 will give 36 and the remainder that you get will be your hours. So the exact answer will be 36 days 12 hours. Now let us see one more example, that is example number 8. That is 780 days. You have to convert it into months. Now in this case, we again divide it because we are converting a smaller unit into a bigger unit. So 1 month consists of 30 days. So we will be dividing 780 by 30 and we get the answer as 26 months. So this is all about conversion of different times in hours, in days, in seconds, in minutes and etc. Now let us see some few word problems depending on the conversion of units of time. So Rahul travels 1 hour 15 minutes to reach his office. How many seconds does he spend to reach the office? So now as we can see that the time is given in hour and minutes, and we have to convert it into seconds. We all know that 1 hour is 3600 seconds and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So now since 1 hour is 3600 seconds, we will be keeping 1 hour as it is, and we will write 1 hour instead of 1 hour as 3600 seconds. Now minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we'll be multiplying 15 by 60 and we get it as 900. When we add both seconds, we get it as 4500 seconds. Similarly, the second one, Azhar is going to see his grandparents. It will take him 2 hours 14 minutes to reach there. Convert this time into minutes. Now as again we can see that the time is given in hours and minutes. Minutes will not change, it will remain as it is because it is already minutes. We will have to change hours. Now 1 hour is 60 minutes, so multiply 2 by 60 and you get it as 120. Now 120 plus 14 will give you 134 minutes. Now since therefore Azhar will take 134 minutes to reach his grandparents.